Nowadays, I guess every smartphone user uses Instagram for sure. And you all always wonder that is it possible for us to get the blue verification badge or blue tick on your Instagram account? Well, the reality is getting a blue tick on your Instagram account is actually possible. Hello guys, my name is Yasin Azimi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I have another awesome smartphone trick for you that is related to Instagram. So in this video I'm gonna show you how can you get the verification badge or blue tick on your Instagram account. But before that, many of you may think that it is only possible for those accounts that they have more than 1 million followers. And a brand, a community or an organization can get it very easily compared to the public people. But the reality is that even an account with having around 1000 followers can get it very easily. And this account only with having around 6000 followers has the verification badge. Anyone can do it even with having around 500 followers. And it is quite simple. Just what you have to do is send your identity card or license or passport to Instagram and follow the steps that I will show you in this video. So stay tuned to watch this video step by step up to the end. If you guys like this type of content, be sure to drop a like, and hey, if this is the first time you are visiting my YouTube channel and wanna get new tricks, so make sure you hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. It's totally free, you can subscribe right now and you will get more new tech and internet tricks every day. I hope you guys will do it, right? So friends, in the beginning just open your account and sign in to Instagram. Then after that click in here. 3 lines are given, so just click on that one. Then in here you will get different options, so just find this one, settings. So just click on this one, settings. Then after that scroll down and in here you will get different options, so among them just click on here, account. Then after that scroll down and you will get different options. So one of them is given request verification, so I'm clicking on that one. And in here you will see a page that you have to fill. So you have to write your details, you have to write your full name, known as, category, and many more things. So in here you can see that my username is already given by Instagram. So in here just write your full name, so I'm writing my full name, Yasin Azimi. So I wrote it. Then after that the second thing is known as. By what name you are famous on social media, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever it is, just write your name that is most valuable for you and you are famous for that one. So I'm writing in here YouTuber. So I wrote it, yes, YouTuber, because I have my channel, YouTube channel, so I'm writing this one, YouTuber. And in here you will get the option for category. So in here just click on this one and you will get different options: news, media, sports, government, music, fashion, entertainment, and different things. So because I have YouTube account, so I'm selecting this one, blogger, influencer. I'm making videos. So this is done. Then the next thing is that is very crucial, it is given in here. So please attach a photo of your ID. It can be anything in here, just you have to read this one once. That it is written that we require a government issued photo ID that shows your name and date of birth. Suppose that it can be a driver license, a passport, or national ID card, or anything, just it should be an authentic document that proves that you are the real person of having this account. Then after that click on this one, choose file. Then after that you will go to your gallery and select your photo. Then after that just you can see that the file is uploaded. So then after that just click on this one, send. So I'm clicking this one, send, it is done. Then after that you will be directed to your home screen, and after that you have to wait for 1 or 2 weeks because it will take time, and the identity card that you have sent to Instagram, they will verify that one, and according to that it will take time. So after that they will give you the verification badge or blue tick on your Instagram account, and it will be visible in here just after your name. So just wait for it. So anyone can do it even with having very less followers. It does not need to have more followers. And do follow me on Instagram, the link is given in description below. So that was the very simple trick for today. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up. If you have any question, then let me know in the comment section below. If you want your friends to get this knowledge, so share with them. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so subscribe right now for totally free and hit the bell icon. So I will send you a notification and you will not miss any of our new videos. I have 2 other special videos for you in the right side. You can watch them as well. Thank you for watching. A world of gratitude. See you in the next video.